So today we are going to learn how to calculate any type of cost with discount. So here is the sheet. We can see here is some product 1, product 2, product 3, and their respective cost is given in the 3 nong cell. So how to calculate this discount, how to calculate the price of the product with discount. So at first we have to calculate the discount, which is 30%. Let's start. So first we denote this cell as discount money. So how to calculate this? First we have to give it the equal sign, and then we select the product 1 cost and then put into sign, and the discount percentage is 30%, which is in D nong column 3 nong cell. So we have to select the D3 cell. So every product have 30% discount, so we have to lock this cell. So how to do it? We have to press F4 in our keyboard. When we put F4, we can see here is the dollar sign in 3 in front of 3, and also a dollar sign in front of the cell column nong. So that means the cell is locked. So when we press the enter button, and we can see here is the discount money, so which is 4,800, and so we have to calculate the price. So in order to calculate the price, we have to subtract the cost and the discount money. So how to do it? We have to select the price cell and put enter, put equal sign, and then select the cost cell and minus the discount cell. So when we put enter, we can see the price of the product, which is 11,200. So in order to get all the prices, we have to select the discount. First we have to select the discount cell. In the corner of the cell, if we go in the corner of the cell, we can see here is the plus sign, and if we double click it, we can see all the discount money is appear. So in order to get the price, we have to also we have also click here, double click here, and here we can see all the prices is appeared. So thank you all. I hope you understand all the contents.